Okay, right here we're going to show you the difference in college when I was a tutor in mathematics. This was one of the most difficult things to convey when I was trying to tutor. The precedence of operators, in other words, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, which one should you do first? People always said, what does it matter? Well, tell Archimedes that. But, you look at these two formulas. Look at this one, and then look at this one. Looks like the same, doesn't it? But is it the same answer? No, because this one has precedence. Is anything within parentheses has precedence over even multiplication. And multiplication is the one that is usually at the top. Do your multiplication first. But when it has parentheses, do those first. You see, if you look at these numbers and you look and said, okay, if I do what's in the parentheses, I will get B2 minus B3. That's B2 minus B3. And what would that end up with? 20. And then I use the multiplication times B4, which would be 40. Now look at this. It uses the same variables, or should I say relative references of cell location, but look at it. B2 minus B3 times B4. Which one would you do first? You have to do the multiplication first. So B3 times B4. B3 times B4. That would be 40. Then that would mean B2 minus 40. So it would be 40 minus 40, which is 0. You see the difference? You must do what's in the parentheses first. So if you're trying to bring and stress it that they should do this first, put parentheses around it. The asterisk means multiplication, but the parentheses tells you do me first.